looks like a good vacuum cleaner too, man. Let's be cleaned. That needs a little more than that now. How about that water, boys? Well, I guess people have started mowing again. How you like me now? You know, I kind of agree with him. Gonna do the same thing. What do I spy? Oh, and a piece of metal, and a cord. Very light metal. Go on. Let it block your damn driveway. Another cord. Little something. I don't know if that's a cord. Is it a hose? I can't tell. That's a fucking cord. Talk about a big cord too, man. This, that trash can. Cart.
helped. But we didn't get it all done. So there are parts of it that are roll call at the moment. I apologize.
Well, let's go see.
There are metal that my husband wanted to keep, but not me. This obviously stays.
Okay.
Is this something you
I can take
recycle?
these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
You want me to move that so you can get? Yeah.
Let's get this out.
There are 2 water heaters back there.
Okay.
That can go. I don't know what this is.
Hoses. Yeah.
That's too much.
Well, you go ahead and do that. Let me see if it's even doable. Holy crap. Okay, you're killing me, dude. In a backyard, in the middle of nowhere.
Load.
Well, a lot of that what you didn't see because it was at night. I can't even. There's some copper. That helps. Water heater. Another water heater. They've got 3 lawnmowers in there. This big ass heavy table. Sort of metal. I think those things are brass. I'm gonna have to take them apart, find out. Last time I had those was brass. So I'll dig them out. Lawnmower, wheelbarrow, and assorted other metal stuff. It's a load. Some of it you saw, some of it you didn't see, but a lot of stuff in there. like I said, the way that went was a woman ran me down, and I just happened to pull over to pick up some chairs on the side of the road, and she come up and said, I'm not stalking you, I swear I've been chasing you for a while. She had a lot of stuff in her backyard that she wanted to, apparently somebody was supposed to help her get rid of it, and they never showed up. I had picked some stuff up from her before. Matter of fact, there is a video out of that. I loaded a truck up from the stuff they had. They just kept bringing stuff out to the curb for me. It was lawnmowers and all kinds of things. Kind of like what today or yesterday was. So I parked in the driveway and went in the backyard and just started making trips back and forth, bringing stuff out. She's got some more things, 2 or 3 riding lawnmowers that I really don't know how I'm gonna get them, but she's requested that I come back this weekend and see what I can load up. The problem with that is I don't know how I can get ride lawnmowers in the truck, but I think she's got some big items there that are just going to fill the truck up, but not filled up the way you want it filled up. So that remains to be seen, what happens with that. But I'm not big on going in people's backyards and removing things, but in this case, it was worth it, without a doubt. So now I'm headed to work. This was a Lexington run, a midweek, end of the week run down here just to do something different. And what I'm going to remember for the future is, even without her, that neighbor lady loading me up with stuff in her backyard, just the hour of street scrapping in the evening, right when it was getting ready to get dark, was damn profitable. And picking up the good kind of stuff, you know, the big heavy table, the double lawnmowers, the wire that we picked up, the Bromex, even without the home run of her, there was a hell damn lot of street scrap out. Yeah, good times. So had a good time. You'll see the short video because it was getting dark and hard to film, and I got a few snippets of stuff, but not a whole lot. You'll see some stuff get loaded, and then the aftermath. There you go. So in that mess was brass lamps, brass, got some copper out there too, but all that was brass. grass. So yeah. 10, 15 pounds maybe. Yeah. And there's a lawnmower sitting right there. Water heater, more lawnmowers. Some kind of screwy arbor. But yeah, good load. Oh, I need to show you. It's a wire collection that was picked up. Big chunk of wire right there. And I've got 1, 2, 3 or 4 TVs to take apart. So yeah, got a little work to do. We ain't done yet. Asshole.